Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Riley. Basically, this channel is about funny videos, funny challenges, and most especially the progress of my kittens. I've been doing a series of videos since they were born and up to now on their 19th day. Why don't you click on the subscribe button below to be part of our growing community? So without further ado, let's proceed to the video. Ta-da! Say hi. Hello. So this kitten came out first. As you can see, their ears are quite developed already, and their eyes are starting to develop as well. We have two female kittens. We checked their gender. They are both female. How can you tell if they are female? From their behind, you will see a dot, and this is the vagina. And this is the second kitten. Say hello. So this second kitten is also a female. You can see from their behind. You will also see she just got bitten by her mom. Maybe. She's okay. Those are the kittens that Chi-Chi have, and if you have some suggestions of names that we could give to them, kindly comment down below. We might get the name from your suggestion. And that's it for now. As always, thank you for watching this video, and always remember to be kind to everyone, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Goodbye.